Hello everybody, welcome to the automobile channel. Here I'm going to give you tips to help you do well manage your car. So today I want to talk about engine shaking problem. So this is a problem when you start your engine and you see that your engine is shaking more than usual, and there's no any problem, so you just have to get your carbon cleaner. This is Super A1. Oh yeah, Super A1, that's it. We call it choke cleaner. So you get one of these, and you have to get a star. That's a star screwdriver. So the first thing you have to do is you just follow your filter box to your airflow meter. So you have to find your airflow meter. This is it. This is your airflow meter. So you have to search for this, and you have to use your screwdriver. That's the star one. Then you take off this one. After you take off, it looks just like this. This is one of the airflow meters. I think you can see it very clear. Okay, so you take your super, that's the choke cleaner. Then you point it to the, you see the opening over here. Then you spray it here. Then you turn it to the side. And where this side sometimes to get that, so then you spray this side too. That is, you do it in this way. Yeah, then you spray it inside. Yeah, afterwards you leave it in the sun for it to dry for some few minutes. Let me say 2 or 3 will be good. Then you put it back. This should fix it's going to fix your engine shaking problem. I hope you like this video. You can subscribe and also like the video. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you get alert anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.